Hi, I'm Chantel Horner, and I wanted to share my responses for the discussion board this week. Please forgive me, I'm going to be reading it. One thing that surprised me was that confidentiality cannot always be guaranteed in couples or family counseling. As I read through the case of Alexis in our textbook, I learned that if a couple or family do not have a written agreement that explains what each person discloses, then the couple or the family is considered the client, not an individual. This means that I, as the counselor, must insist that any secrets told to me need to be disclosed to the couple or family because it may be something that could help them. Plus, it is not my place to keep secrets from other people in the couple or family. For example, a family comes to me to be counseled because their child is acting out, and the child confides in me the reason why. I would need to inform the whole family because they are all my client, and I had already let them know that I will not keep secrets. I also learned that there are a few ways to avoid an issue like this. Instead of counseling the couple or family separately, I would have to counsel them together. I could tell them before their first session that I will not keep secrets from the others involved. I could also include this information in my disclosure statement. The reason this one stood out to me was because I thought what was said in the session could not go any further than my client, the individual, and myself. Another thing that stood out was the interrogatories. This is explained as a set of written questions included with the subpoena. I had always thought if someone was being served a subpoena, they had to show up in person and answer questions in person. With these written questions, they must be answered, but does not need to be done in person. For instance, if I understand correctly, I am served with a subpoena by a family's lawyer claiming emotional damage. I will need to get an attorney to go over the questions with me as well as go over my answers before I send them in. I would need to do this to ensure that I am abiding by the law to a T. Thank you.